सो बिगिनिंग विथ द लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेडिंग. कभी हमने लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेडिंग की बात की नहीं है. वी जस्ट लुक एट 1 ईयर 2 ईयर, और शॉर्ट टर्म में कहीं ना कहीं वी जस्ट मेक प्रॉफिट्स एंड exit and then enter into another stock which is at bottom. So what we do here is we take the same Fibonacci companies, 50 companies, 50, 51, 52 keeps on changing. Those same Fibonacci companies we will take, and in those companies, what you do is take any company, pick any company, and see what is the lifetime high of that company. Okay? देखो वो तो एक बात तो सीधी है, which I keep on repeating every time. Before I buy a stock, ठीक है, दो एवरी चेकबॉक्स वर्क्स की टेक्निकली बहुत अच्छा है, फंडामेंटल बहुत अच्छा है, बट वन थिंग यू हैव टू चेक दैट व्हाट आर द रिसेंट क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स. So these 50 stocks, one checkbox is already there. What's the checkbox? Fundamentals are clear of these 50 companies, Fibonacci companies. Second, financials. Every time we will check the latest quarterly results should be highest ever posting profit. The third one, which is the technical may we are talking about long term trading, bar buy sell nahi. What we see, one simple thing, see the lifetime high of the stock. If that stock has come 30% down, if that stock has come 30% down, buy that stock, and it will again go to the lifetime high, sell it at lifetime high. That is the task. So simple. For example, so this is our stock list. Okay, this is our stock list. You know, some stocks like, chalo, you pick the stock. We have to keep on checking all the 50 companies. We have to keep on checking.
Ma'am, Bajaj Housing Finance.
Bajaj Housing Finance. I think it's at down. Otherwise, I'll open it into another account. जिसमें मेरे पास जिसमें मेरे पास पूरा का पूरा लिस्ट बना हुआ है. So what will happen if the list is there, no? Let me. So this is the stock we have picked up. But this is not in our list, huh? This is not in our list. Bajaj Housing Finance is not in our list. So we will see because इसका तो listing ही बहुत recently हुआ है. We'll see what is the lifetime high in our companies, and we will see, oh, has the price fallen by 30%? So whenever the price has fallen by 30%, here the price has fallen by 30% approximately. So the moment you get 30%, yani ki when did this hit? This hit was done like approximately here. So you would, if you would have done buying here, we can do the buying here and we will sell it lifetime high. The simple fundamental strategy. But we will do this in our 50 companies, because abhi, if you ask about Bajaj Housing Finance, yes, it is a very good stock, but I don't know how much time it can take for recovery. देखो आप कोई चार्ट पैटर्न भी नहीं बन रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं बन रहा है, and this is not in our list also. So that is also one thing. You know, how do I check in my list? I'll show you. Okay, so now I have opened the here. This is like I have saved 50 companies are saved to me here. What do I have to see? जो भी 50 companies में company अब देखो ये तो लाइफ टाइम हाई पे ही है ना. This is already at lifetime high, right? I'm starting from A. A पे we have AB Capital, right? See, this is पूरा line से it will come. So I'll just keep on, pressing the low bottom arrow key. This is the second one. ठीक है, अदानी पोर्ट्स. अब अदानी पोर्ट्स देख लेते हैं. If अदानी पोर्ट्स is no, not low from lifetime high. This we can say. Ambuja Cements we can say. So what's the lifetime high? This is the lifetime high. And price range, if it is 30% down from lifetime high, देखो, is it 30% down? No, it's not 30% down. So this is not a buy for us. Apollo Hospitals, not really. Not really. तो बहुत दूर का टारगेट है. So Asian Paints, yes, Asian Paints could be. So let's see. This is the lifetime high. This is the lifetime high. And it goes no, not 30% down. ये तब 30% down था when I was saying you just 3 months 4 months back when we met ना at this phase I was saying you that ये बहुत time से इधर घूम रहा है 2200 पे. It will give a runner up and is it truly gave that runner up. So
Ma'am,
AWL agree, yes.
ma'am, in this trading way, where are you finding this lifetime high, ma'am?
Whatever is the lifetime high, see what you can do is here you can see 1D 5D 1 month. You can click on all. ठीक है, मुझे तो वैसे पता है बट लेट्स से इफ यू हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन ऑल तो यू कैन सी. इस पे आपको पता चल जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज द लाइफ टाइम. सो दिस इज अ आई थिंक लाइफ टाइम हाई. एंड प्राइस रेंज, इज इट 30% डाउन? यस, इट्स टू मच डाउन. 30% डाउन पे भी बाइंग था. यहाँ पे समवेयर हियर बाइंग वॉज देयर. somewhere here buying was there. So now short buying is there. But इसमें फिर इतना टेक्निकल पैटर्न नहीं बन रहा है. So this is not a technical strategy. What we are doing today, this is not a technical strategy, not a technical indicator. This is a approach for long term trading. Buy at 30% below of the lifetime high and sell at lifetime high. And if you see, if we would have bought this, here, we would have exited very soon because it reached to lifetime high very soon. ये देखो. हाँ, if you would have waited. इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ हमेशा जो आपका टारगेट है ना, लेट्स से माय टारगेट इज 840, यहाँ पे टारगेट इज 880. डोंट वेट फॉर द एग्जैक्ट टारगेट. ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज थोड़ा पहले निकल जाओ. 1%, 1.5%, 2% निकल जाओ पहले. व्हाट हैपेंस इज जैसे ही हिट होता है ऑपरेटर गेम, इट स्टार्ट्स कमिंग डाउन एंड देन समटाइम्स वी आर स्टक. और फिर वो इतना नीचे चला जाता है फिर यू कांट सेल. लेट्स से आपने 100 पे देखा एंड यू कुडंट सेल, देन व्हेन इट कम्स 50 40 30 यू कांट सेल आल्सो. एंड दैट्स व्हाई जीटीटी ऑलवेज वर्क्स. तो जब आप जीटीटी भी डालते हो ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज थोड़ा नीचे डाल दो ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि टच करके वो जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर एट अ पॉइंट वहां पे बहुत कम लोग आए हैं. तो ऐसा ना कि मेनी पीपल्स ऑर्डर्स कम बट आपका ऑर्डर नहीं निकले, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सी ऑल द 52 53 54 कंपनीज वट एवर. सी अभी ये देखो पता चल रहा है ना लाइफ टाइम हाई पे. तो अभी है बजाज फिनसर्व. ये लाइफ टाइम हाई से थोड़ा नीचे आया है. बजाज होल्डिंग्स, बजाज ऑटो लाइफ टाइम हाई से काफी नीचे है. दिस अगेन बजाज फाइनेंस इज ऑलमोस्ट एट द लाइफ टाइम हाई. Now you got it now how to see the lifetime high. See, this is the lifetime high. Bata India is very much down than lifetime high. So this is a fundamental based buy. 30% down, तो यहाँ पे भी buy था. Here also it was a buy. It was a buy here also, but since it has come सो मच, बहुत नीचे आ चुका है, तो नाउ तो इट्स शॉर्ट शॉर्ट।